afternoon, children. Are you ready for our lesson in math this afternoon? Okay, very good. But before we will start our lesson this afternoon, let me remind you first this following. Okay, first, you always wear your face mask. Huwag tanggalin ang face mask. Next is observe social distancing. And the last one is always sanitize your hands and things. Okay, why we will do this one? So that we cannot be infected by the COVID-19. Do you understand? Okay, I will post it on the board. Okay, are you ready? Okay, I have here an incentive chart. If your group will behave well and participate during our class discussion, you will earn a reward. But if your group will misbehave, I will minus your reward. Did you understand? Okay, very good. Okay, this time, let's have a game. Okay, each group has a representative. Okay, who is the representative from the group 1? Okay, Hardin, very good. Next group 2, Hero. Next group 3, Haven. Okay, stand up. The representative of group. Okay, on your show me board, as I will flash the multiplication sentence here on my laptop, you write your answer on your show me board. The first one who can answer first will earn a point from your group. Did you understand? Okay, very good. Are you ready? Okay. 6 times 4. Okay, very good. Hero, from the group 2, you earn a point. Okay, 6 times 4 is 24. Very good. Next. 7 times 5. Okay, Hardin, answer it first. Okay, from the group 1, earn a reward. What is the answer? 35. Next. 8 times 8. Okay, Hardin, answer it first. Okay, very good. The answer is 6 times, 8 times 8 equals 64. Okay, next. 7 times 6. Okay, very good, group 3. What is your answer? 42. Okay, group 3 earn a reward. Okay, next. 9 times 3. Okay, what is your answer? Okay, group 2 answer it first. Okay, 27. Group 2 earn a reward. Okay, next. 6 times 9. Okay, group 3, answer it first. Okay, what is your answer? 54. Very good. Next. 7 times 7. Okay, group 1, answer it first. The answer is 49. Very good. Next. 8 times 4. Okay, very good. Group 2, answer it first. 32. Okay, next. 9 times 5. Okay, group 3. What? Got the correct answer. Okay, 45. Very good. job well done, class. Okay, so group 2 got a highest point. Okay, now, let's see if you still remember your lesson yesterday. Okay, let's do the climbing the ladder. Okay, who can go to the board and answer the question? Okay, who can go to the board from the group? Okay, Haven. Okay, my multiplicand is 3 and my multiplier is 6. What number am I? What is your answer, Haven? Okay, very good. The answer is 18. Next, who can go to the board? Okay, Holly. Okay, my multiplicand is 7 and my multiplier is 4. What number am I? The answer is 28. Very good. Next, who can go to the board? Angelo. Okay, my multiplicand is 9 and my multiplier is 5. What number am I? The answer of Angelo is 45. Okay, is that correct? Okay, very good. This is correct. Next. Okay, who can go to the board from the group? Okay, CJ. Okay, my multiplicand is 6 and my multiplier is 6. What number am I? Okay, CJ, answer is 36. Okay, is this correct? Okay, very good. Okay, and the last one. My multiplicand is 8 and my multiplier is 3. What number am I? Who can go to the board? Okay, Annie. Okay, the answer of Annie is... Okay, is this correct? Okay, very good class. This is correct. Okay, so ibig sabihin, naintindihan ninyo ang ating lesson kahapon. Okay. So, I have here a picture. Everybody, tingin dito sa harap. Okay. What can you see in the picture? Okay, very good. This is Mimi and Nene. Okay, what are they doing? Okay, they are sharing foods. Very good. Okay, do you also share like Mimi and Nene? Okay, Harleen. Okay, very good. Okay, why should we need to share some foods or things to other children? Okay, CJ. Okay, very good. So that, okay, we share foods to others so that we make ourselves happy and make others happy. Okay, very good. Okay, so this time, I have here number. Before we will proceed to our proper lesson, we will encounter some words. Okay, what can you see? What can you say this number? Okay, this is a multiplication sentence. Okay, what do you call to the two given number? Ano ang tawag natin dito sa dalawang number? Okay, very good. We called it factor. Okay, ang dalawang number, tinatawag natin factor. And what do you call to the answer? Okay, so what is the answer? go to this, to the answer. Okay, we called it a product. Very good. Okay, so this time, I let you show an illustration with a problem. Okay, I will read it first for you, class. You listen first, and then after I read, I will let it read to you by group. Okay. Mimi and Nene wants to share foods to the children who are affected in the COVID-19 pandemic. They decided to give breads to the children. Mimi arranged 4 boxes of bread. Each box has 6 pieces of bread, while Nene arranged 6 boxes of bread with 4 pieces of bread in each box. Okay, who can read? Okay, group 1, read. Okay, very good, group 1. Group 2. Next, group 3. Very good. Okay, Hero, can you read it for the class? Okay, very good. Now, let's find out the given problem. Okay, how many boxes of bread did Mimi arrange? Okay, ilan daw yung boxes ni Mimi na inayos niya? Okay, very good. The boxes Mimi arranged is 4. Okay, next. How many pieces of bread are there in each box? Okay, so Mimi arranged 4 boxes. How many pieces of bread? Okay, there are 6 pieces of bread. Okay, so this is the illustration. Okay. Next. How many boxes of bread did Nene arrange? Okay, Nene arranged 6 boxes. Okay, and how many pieces of bread are there in each box? Okay, so there are 4 pieces of bread in each box. Okay, now, what do you think? Do they have the same numbers of pieces? Okay, Angelo. Okay, they have the same number of pieces. Okay, now, why should we share some foods to others? Okay, very good. So that we make them happy and then it makes ourselves happy also. Okay, did you understand? Okay, this time I have another illustration. Okay, what can you see on the board? Okay, how many boxes of breads are there? Okay, so let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there are 4 boxes of bread. Okay, and how many pieces of bread are there in each box? Okay, there are, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pieces of bread in each box. Now, how we will write it into a multiplication sentence? Okay, go to the board, Angelo. Okay, 4 times 6. Okay, 4 times 6 is equals to how many? Okay, very good. There are 24 pieces of bread inside the boxes. Okay, now let's see the other illustration. Okay, how many boxes are there? Okay, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. There are 6 boxes of bread. And how many pieces of bread inside the box? Okay, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 pieces of bread inside the box. Okay, now we will write it into a multiplication sentence. 6 times 4 is equals to, what is the answer? 24. Very good. Okay, did you understand, children? Okay, so in the first figure, the answer is 24 and the second figure is 24. Okay, what did you notice on the factor? Okay, very good, Hardin. Okay, the factors is changing. Here the factors is, the first number is 4 times 6. And on the second figure, the first number is 6. And then, what is the product? Okay, the answer is 24. Okay, so, okay, children, I have another figure. Okay, so how many circles are there? Okay, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. There are 5 circles. And how many stars are there in each circles? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, very good. Now, let's write it into a multiplication sentence. Okay, 5 times 7 is equals how many? 35. Very good. Okay, how about the second figure? Okay, how many circles, children? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many stars are there in each circle? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. There are 5 stars. Okay, and we will write it into a multiplication sentence. 7 times 5 is equals 35. Okay, now, what did you notice about the factors, children? Okay, on the first figure, the first factor is number 5. And in the second figure, the first factor is 7. Okay, but the products is still the same. So, this is we call commutative property of multiplication. Okay, commutative property of multiplication, the factors is changing their place, but the products is still the same. Okay, did you understand, children? Now, who can tell us what is commutative property of multiplication? Okay, Hardin. Okay, is that correct? Okay, let's see if the answer is Hardin is correct. Okay, the commutative property of multiplication states that the order of the given factors do not affect the product, or changing the order of the factors does not change the product. Okay, so this is the example. 9 times 3 equals 27, and then we just what? Change the position of the factors. 3 times 9 equals 27. Okay, did you understand, children? Okay, very good. Okay, so now let's have an activity. Okay, so before we will do our activity, what should you do if you are doing your activity? Okay, Hardin. Okay, listen to the direction. Next, follow the direction, and most importantly is observe health protocol. Okay, bawal lumapit sa classmate. Huwag tanggalin ang face mask. Naintindihan ba? Okay, very good. Okay, for the group 1, you will illustrate. Okay, this is for the group 1. And then, group 2, complete the multiplication sentences by applying the commutative property of multiplication and then find the product. And for the group 3 is match, express the commutative property of multiplication by matching column A with column B. Write the letters of the correct answer, then find the product. Okay, you do it silently. I will give you 5 minutes only. Okay, are you done? Okay, now, let's see the output of the group 1. Okay, so this is the output of the group 1. Okay, let's see if their answer is correct. Okay, Lilibet drew 6 circles with 3 stars inside each circle. How many stars are there in the circles? Okay, so they drew 6 circles and then 3 stars inside each circles. So number sentence 6 times 3, the commutative property of multiplication, 3 times 6 equals 18. Very good. Next, Anna draws 3 circles with 6 stars inside in each circle. How many stars are there in each circle? Okay, correct ang ginawa ng group 1. Correct ang answer nila. Okay, the group 1 earned a point. Okay, let's see from the group 2. Okay, complete the multiplication sentences by applying the commutative property of multiplication. Find the product. Okay, 5 times 8, 40. 6 times 7, 42. 7 times 9, 63. 4 times 6, 24. And 3 times 9 equals 27. Very good, group 2. You earn a point. And the last one is the group 3. Okay, express the commutative property of multiplication by matching column A with column B. Write the letters of the correct answer, then find the product. Okay, so their answer is correct. Okay, let's give them a good job clap. Okay, G-O-O-D, G-O-O-D-J-O-B, G-O-O-D-J-O-B. Good job, good job. Okay, very good. Okay, now that you understand our lesson in math, okay, I will give you a short test. Okay, direction. Apply the commutative property of multiplication, then find the product. Okay, I will distribute you a test paper and then answer it silently. Okay, are you done? Okay, pass it in front. Okay, very good. Now, before you will go, titingnan muna natin kung sino ba ang nakakuha ng mataas na points. Okay, very good. Ang group 2, let's clap our hands. Okay, sila yung first. And group 1 is the second. Very good. And group 3 is the third. Okay. So, your math notebook and copy your assignment for tomorrow.